Do we want to switch to the data connection? I think it's better. Though.
I almost broke the
You're
door.
dying. No, you're dying.
I'm almost broke.
We're gonna. If the
fine.
stream goes off for a second, stay tuned. So I'm getting
One
out
same.
3 mozzarella.
Okay.
Let's talk about mozzarella, alright?
Okay, I think we should recap what we're cooking tonight.
We don't. I see a lot of videos of cooking that go out talking like, oh, just grate the mozzarella in. The mozzarella should be wet and...
I like your voice.
If it's dried out mozzarella, it's not real mozzarella. This is the real mozzarella, right?
Dripping.
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna make a spaghetti, meatballs, meatball sandwich. We'll see. But we need to start with the basics.
Okay, sorry.
Like ham here, bye bye. So mozzarella's been cut. In the meantime, this is gonna get wet a little bit. If you really want to help it,
Salt.
Salt really helps out.
I knew it.
Dry out shit. You don't really need to do it, but if you want to be fancy about it and have like a girl around, you'll be like, oh, salt actually dries out things, so... But it's useless. That doesn't really... Like, this is going to dry out enough in the meantime. So, next thing is, bought Stefano Carmi,
Okay.
which is sponsor of this video, obviously. We have a lot of minced meat. Can we have like a primo piano here, boy? But my grandma used to make it like that, like with a little bit of onion. I barely cut my finger, and
You almost cut your finger.
barely.
Okay. So you did.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna add it a.
You know what? The beers are gonna get cold, like warm. Let's put the other one in the fridge.
Now let's drink the other one real fast.
Okay. Are you putting the mozzarella in your meatballs?
No.
JP asks, but she approves of it. She's very favorable.
I mean, we'll be alright.
To put mozzarella in the meatballs?
There
Yeah,
will
I
be
mean...
nothing against it.
Wouldn't it like...
If it's inside, yeah, it will work. But we don't do that usually, so we're doing something different, don't worry. We put a lot of shit here. I think we'll even put salt. Since I'm a maniac, I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce in it. Just a little bit.
And Prozil is also saying the same thing you were saying a little while ago before the connection went to shits. The more foam, the less beer will ferment inside your belly.
Thank you, Prozil. Thank you very much. There's finally somebody who really understands beer. Mwah. So we put everything we should put here. Like if we had some more.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Mine too! Mine's gone! And my chair is broken too!
Are we live still though?
Yeah.
Are we printing money again?
Not yet.
So like my favorite kind of meat it's raw meat. Like I could eat.
Did you just eat raw meat?
Oh yeah, I could eat all of this shit.
Yeah, raw meat is something that I really grew up with. Like I would eat raw meat every day.
Is it legal in USA?
Yeah, and UK is also frowned
Yeah.
upon. Well, you know, horses are like pets in the UK, so we're
As
not...
long as they can run.
This
What-
is quite dark.
Where do you think that non-running horses go? Do you think there's a special place for horses that cannot run?
I don't know.
There is. It's called like the meat man.
Okay.
Pew pew. If we really want to ruin this meat, we are gonna go and grab a pan.
No,
Why
yeah,
do
no,
you-
I'm like, I'm also reading the chat, and JP is like, really, like, she really found the meat eating quite strong, quite a sight, you know. But anyway.
Don't sugarcoat it. What is she saying? Since we're gonna make spaghetti, or as we say in Italy, spaghetti, we're gonna start by boiling some water.
Do you add the salt while the water is boiling, or like?
There's no difference.
Okay. Quite literally, the meat from this store in particular is just quite incredible. Just,
It is
just
as
if my,
expensive-
I don't know, but if my, I mean, my voice doesn't really count much on it.
I'm gonna cut that.
To my spaghetti!
So we put the water on the boil. We can
Spaghetti!
just a little bit, because I'm gonna put a little bit here as well, and I'm gonna make it into a tiny bowl. What do you mean by tiny? I don't know. I don't really care. This might be tiny. Are you looking at this?
I'm looking at the meatballs. They look meaty and
Okay.
ballsy.
Yeah, as well. Like I'm the real star of this dish. Hello. Oh wait, we're gonna put meatballs into the pan, dude.
Okay, this is like important.
Yeah, it is. So the oil is hot. We're just
Is presently accepting meatballs.
and we're already hearing this noise of suffering meatballs, which is just music for an Italian.
She may not know this, but in Italy, not everybody buys olive oil.
No, nobody.
Like he makes, like his friend makes olive oil. I make olive oil, and when I say we make olive oil, it means that we have trees. We pick up the olives, we crush it, we make the olive oil, and then show the olive oil.
Look at that. This comes from Puglia. So this is the trick I was talking about meatballs. Like this applies in meat in general, but meatballs it's probably better. Don't try and move meatballs, because if they don't want to get moved around, it means they are not ready to be moved around. So just let them stay there and cook slowly. Help yourself with a lid, because it's gonna kind of like steam them. Ooh, that was a nice save, man.
I know, I'm pretty
That
good.
was an amazing save.
You know what I need as a reward?
Beer?
I need to take my shirt off.
Take your fucking shirt off, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
Where's
because,
my shot?
Because I'm a secret
Where's my
person.
shot?
Wait, let me unlock my phone to you.
Okay, the meatball is kind of sweating inside.
I hope the connection doesn't cut out. I'm gonna try and come close, keep them still.
Roll! Roll! Roll!
Going two dishes at the price of one. I'm gonna actually have to cut this. Usually in Italy, we use this blade here, which is like how do you call this? Like dented blade.
Yeah, it is dented.
So this
You
one.
have to keep it still.
This is steel.
Yeah, okay.
I got you. That's a joke. I know jokes. By the way, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers only.
JP
whispers.
called me gay because I took my shirt off.
Okay, at this point, oh my god, it's no.
Don't make me go all Italian on you. Just lower the frame. Dan is asking how you doing.
I'm doing fine. So,
he's
at
all
this
good.
point, the pasta water is actually boiling,
Easy.
which we're gonna toss in the spaghetti. Since we had this idea of cutting the spaghetti down,
I really like your pronunciation in English of spaghetti.
spaghetti,
Yeah, very good.
spaghetti, my gaddy. Oh my gaddy, spaghetti. Anyway, oh my god, it's incredibly hot. Right, the meatball is completely cauterized outside.
Cauterized.
Yeah.
You
I
mean
don't-
cooked?
No, because inside it's raw.
Okay.
Now,
How do you know it's raw inside?
I know it. They told it to me. Now we're gonna keep it cooking, but at this point we can add a little bit of tomato sauce.
Barnsey boys in the house.
Barnsey boy, welcome back to the stream, man. Now, at this
Classy.
point, we're
This
gonna
is
add
one classy
Kanye
guy.
boy. We're gonna add the tomato sauce. Are you looking at this?
No.
Why are you here?
You know what
then?
you should? You know what we should do? We should like make it in slow motion.
This is a live stream.
Okay,
man.
we should just
This
still
is a
make it in
live
slow
stream.
motion
Come
anyway.
here.
Just make it in slow motion. It's gonna be epic.
I'm going
This is gonna be like an advertisement.
tomato. It's enough to me.
Yeah.
And if you don't like chili, it's fine. But you know, you actually want, and let's keep it cooking. Oh my god, why did I do that? Oh my god, I'm experiencing some stuff right now. Don't forget, we have the spaghetti on the fire.
Francis is really in support of the chili.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
What is that thing?
It's like ice.
Like ice?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all you need to know.
Okay.
Like, you can taste it if you want.
No, I don't need to taste it. But it's cold. Yeah, I get it.
Told you.
It's an ice pack.
It's an ice pack, exactly. It's a nice ice pack.
Okay.
There is like this myth in the world that if you throw your spaghetti and it stucks on the wall, it's cooked.
That's ridiculous.
It's just ridiculous. But this spaghetti is not ready, and it's not stacking on the wall, so...
So it's gotta be true.
Well,
That's now ready apparently.
Yeah.
So it really comes down to how far you, like how strong you actually
maybe
throw
your
it.
strength, yeah.
Incredible
if you throw it
content.
there, maybe
No, I'm not moving the camera there. Oh, there you go.
I did it.
It did work.
I'm actually a good spaghetti thrower, I think. I might have a career there. We are putting our mozzarella into the panino.
So we're taking the mozzarella and putting it in the panino. Aren't you gonna put some olive oil in the bread?
Nah, there's plenty of it already.
Okay. Iceman is flagging one little thing that in Australian tradition they pour alcohol, well, drinks alcohol in a shoe and in a boot. To just call it, they drink it in one go.
That's amazing. I like Australia. Like, if it wasn't for like incredibly killing hot and incredibly killing like animals, I would just go to Australia right now, dude. Come on.
You're like a meatball with eyes.
Come on. Good at that.
Let the meatball rest. The chat is actually screaming. People are chanting
It's true,
about
we're
it.
gonna let it rest, but in the meantime, gameplay is gonna have to try it.
I
We
hope
added the
that's-
oregano just now,
that's a true
and
story.
we're just mixing the meatballs up, you know, just a little bit here, a little bit there, and keep it to rest.
Yeah,
So
I mean,
as you can see, I'm not completely getting rid of the water.
this
of
is a
the pasta.
very strange method to throw the pasta.
It's actually a nice method because you let all the juices and the water here that you can use if you want, and if you don't want, I don't care. We're gonna put all the spaghetti here and let it rest for, like, the flame is off at this point. We're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just
But-
bonding with the chat. Yeah.
We're gonna do this. What are you doing with my chat?
Nothing. Nothing.
Let me check my chat.
And then moving in slow motion. No, the song normal and the movement is slow motion.
It's really
That's-
hard to do
that's
like
okay.
one tempo and another tempo. I don't want to really brag about it, but it looks good. I'm gonna go for it, man.
I wasn't sure about this at first, but now that I see it, I think that you might be onto something.
Come here.
Something
We're
disgusting.
gonna try this.
Okay, let's
Can
try.
we do this? Okay. Okay, it goes nice and down. All right. Now the nice thing you want to do about this is actually try and seal it a little bit.
Oh, Mick, calm down. Come on, Mick. Come on.
Are you sure we get
You really need
enough-
to come here, man.
Are you sure we get enough connection there?
No, it's good. We're on 4G.
Oh, it's so cold out here.
Come here.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, I wanna cry. How cold it is.
It's amazing.
It's incredibly cold, guys, here. There's like, what, 15 degrees less here?
I think there is a gap of 10 degrees.
10, at
no
least 10,
joke.
man.
No joke.
Like, whenever you are grown up in Italy, you are free to eat straight from the pot.
Yeah.
And it's the best because you can get all the juices, all the meats, whatever. Gameplay, come here. You need to test this. Come here. Come here, boy.
Yeah, just a second.
Guys, I don't usually brag about my shit.
You do brag
I'm
about
lying,
your stuff
I'm
at
lying.
any fucking given
But this
occasions.
is fucking amazing.
Really? That is way too much.
No, dude.
Alright. I think it messed them up. Ah, you really did. Like, it's super fucking salty. Like, take a step back and try it and don't, like, say it's not salty.
That's amazing.
How way you put chili in it?
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake, are you crazy? I cannot have any chill.
Okay. It looks alright. But I think that whatever we're gonna taste after this pasta,
You know what we should
we're gonna
do?
shit it.
We should do it in slow motion.
So the cheese hasn't melted because we didn't put it into the oven.
I'm amazed. I'm amazed it didn't like melt anyway because of the temperature in here.
It kind of did though. Could be worse.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not a fan.
No, I'm not a fan as well.